Have you ever found yourself staring at a project timeline, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks and deadlines? So you're not alone. Choosing the right project management tool can be a daunting task. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular options, Microsoft Project and Asana. Which one is the better fit for your team and your projects? Let's find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly establish what these tools are and who might benefit from using them. Microsoft Project is a robust, feature-rich project management software that's been around for decades. It's often favored by large organizations and teams that require complex planning and resource allocation. Asana, on the other hand, is a more user-friendly and collaborative tool that's gained popularity in recent years. It's ideal for smaller teams and individuals who need a simple yet effective way to manage their projects. Key features comparison, interface and usability. Microsoft Project. Known for its steep learning curve, Microsoft Project can be overwhelming for new users. Its interface is complex, with numerous features and options. However, once you've mastered it, you can create highly detailed project plans. Asana. Asana boasts a clean and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Even beginners can quickly learn how to use the tool. Its focus on simplicity and collaboration makes it a great choice for teams of all sizes. Task management. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project offers a wide range of task management features, including task dependencies, resource allocation, and time tracking. You can create detailed task breakdowns and assign them to specific team members. Asana. While Asana may not have the same level of task management depth as Microsoft Project, it provides essential features like task creation, assignment, and prioritization. Its focus on Kanban boards makes it easy to visualize project progress. Resource management. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is a powerhouse when it comes to resource management. You can track resource availability, assign resources to tasks, and optimize resource utilization. This is particularly useful for large projects with complex resource requirements. Asana. Asana offers basic resource management capabilities, such as assigning tasks to team members. However, it may not be as robust as Microsoft Project when it comes to detailed resource planning and optimization. Collaboration and communication. Microsoft Project. While Microsoft Project does have collaboration features, they're not as integrated as in Asana. Communication primarily happens through email or external tools. Asana. Asana is designed with collaboration in mind. It offers features like comments, notifications, and it mentions, making it easy for team members to communicate and stay updated on project progress. Reporting and analytics. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project provides a variety of reporting options, including Gantt charts, resource utilization reports, and cost reports. You can get detailed insights into project performance and identify potential issues. Asana. While Asana may not have the same level of reporting capabilities as Microsoft Project, it offers basic reporting features like progress charts and time tracking. You can track project metrics and identify areas for improvement. Choosing the right tool. So, which tool is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you require a highly customizable and feature-rich project management solution, Microsoft Project might be the way to go. However, if you prioritize simplicity, collaboration, and ease of use, Asana could be a better fit. Consider the following factors when making your decision. Project complexity. Are your projects simple or complex? Team size. How many people are involved in your projects? Resource requirements. Do you need to track and manage resources? Collaboration needs. How important is collaboration and communication within your team? Budget. What is your budget for a project management tool? Ultimately, the best way to determine which tool is right for you is to try them out. Both Microsoft Project and Asana offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one aligns better with your workflow. Have you used either Microsoft Project or Asana? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's discuss the pros and cons of each tool and help others make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time.